This time we're looking at what's that sound, but we're looking for the end sound. So last time we found the sound at the beginning. Now I want you to find the sound at the end. Just like we've done, I'll do some just by myself and you can follow along. Then we'll do some together. Then after that, it's your turn to go. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The first word is bin. Can you say bin? Now we're going to say the sounds. Bin. I can hear b, I, n. The end sound in bin is n. B, I, n. Word 2 is some. Can you say some? Now, let's count the sounds that we can hear in some. I can hear s, some. The end sound in some is s, Two more for me. The word is lap. Can you say lap? Now, I'll say the sounds I can hear in lap. Lap. P. Lap. The end sound in lap is p. P. Last time I'm going to have a go, then we'll do some together. The word is date. Can you say date? These are the sounds that I can hear in date. D, A, T. The end sound is T. Date. Now, we're going to do some words together. The first word is whip. So, let's say it. Whip. Let's say the sounds together. Oo, I, P. What's that sound? P. The last sound in whip is P. Oo, I, P. Whip. Word number 2. We're still working together. Fan. Say fan. Let's count the sounds that we can hear in fan. Ready? What's the last sound in fan? Fan. Is the last sound in fan. 2 more. Kite. Can you say kite? Now, let's say the sounds together. Kite. What was the last sound you heard? Let's do it again. Kite. T is the last sound in kite. Our last word together before you go by yourself. Thumb. Say the word thumb. Count the sounds. What's the last sound you heard? Let's say it again. Thumb. Is the last sound in thumb. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you some clues about how to do this, then tell you what I can hear at the end. The first word is men. Say the word men. Count the sounds that you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear at the end. Men. The last sound in men is n. Word 2. The word is comb. Say comb. Say each sound you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear at the end. Comb. K-O. The last sound in comb is 2 more. The word is mat. Say mat. Say the sounds that you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear at the end. Mat. At. The last sound in mat is t. Our last word. Rope. Say rope. Say the sounds you can hear. Tell me the sound you can hear at the end. Rope. R-O-P. The last sound in rope is P. Thanks for playing What's that sound? N sound. Next time we're going to be looking at the middle sound in these words. You did really well.